Four of my favorite healthy snacks. Paleo Valley beef sticks are one of my favorite snacks. They're 100% grass-fed. They're high in protein and fat, so they're actually gonna fill you up and they taste amazing. Scout bars are also one of my favorites. They have so many different flavors and every bar is made with organic, real whole food ingredients. When I want something crunchy, Simple Mills crackers are my go-to. These Pop'ems are basically a goldfish alternative, and I love these everything seed flour crackers. They have so much flavor. Also, don't forget about real food. I love having fruit as a snack as well, especially apples and bananas.